Australians get to witness a rare, ring of fire solar eclipse. The moon covers the sun, leaving only its fiery edges visible. This is a stunning but eerie celestial show that happens only a few times a decade. Scientists report that Himalayan glaciers are melting 75% faster than they were back in the 90s. This rapid melt threatens water supplies for millions across Asia and signals urgent climate change impacts. The Amazon, once our planet's lungs, is now producing more CO2 than it absorbs. Deforestation and wildfires are pushing it closer to a tipping point, which could intensify climate change worldwide. Thank you for watching. Liking and following would be appreciated. Stay safe.